Hi, my name is Sharan. Here I will be demonstrating aggregation framework using MongoDB Compass. This is a view of MongoDB Compass where we can see the different databases. The databases that I will use today is website image usage. As you click on this, we can see the collection in that database, that is photo image. Here we can see the number of documents that are available in the photo image. Like there are different fields: ID, description, year taken, image type, usage cost. Here we can see the array like newspaper, which is a form of array. Here we can see the embedded document like event photographer. So the question for today is we need to write an aggregation query that will display the first element of newspaper array in descending order of the year published between 2000 to 2010. So for this we need to go to aggregations section. Here there are like different stages where you can build your aggregation pipeline. So our first is to match the year. We write match, and here we need to write the query. I've already written the query, so I will just copy paste it. Here we go. So we need to paste here. Basically, what match query do, it selects a document where the year taken is greater than 2000 and less than 2010. All the documents that are between 2000 and 2010 are available here in the match query. As we can see, ID4, ID11, ID13, whose year taken is between 2000 and 2004. Now next we need to unwind the newspaper. So we click on add stage, unwind. Here you can see like there are different sections in the unwind, like path, include array index like string. We need to give this array index as a string, preserve null and empty arrays as a boolean. So we don't need these two. And here we will give newspaper. So here we can see the different newspapers that are available between 2000 and 2010. Basically, the purpose of this stage is to deconstruct the array destination to get the first individual element of the array. Now our third stage is group. What group by do is that it creates a different group based on the ID field. Here in my document, the ID field is year and newspaper. It will create one group for both year and year taken and newspaper. So we'll click on this. Copy paste. So yeah, here we can see it has created a group by with year and newspaper. If we hover our mouse over this, we can see the year object has been created with year 2006 and the newspaper Western People. Here again we can see that it is grouped by year and newspaper together. The newspaper which are between year 2000 and 2010. Now our last part of the query is to sort the result in descending order. So for this we need to sort the ID this which we created by -1. So in that case we need to use another aggregate function, that is sort. It will sort accordingly. So we need to go to here, sort. Here we can see that we need to give the field name and sort order. So sort basically it just arranges the result in ascending or descending order. If you set the order to 1, it will ascend in it will set the documents in ascending order. If you set to -1, it will set the documents in descending order. So in this case I will be displaying the year from 2010, 9, 8 and so on. So here we need to give the ID. See the ID that was in the group field created with years taken and newspaper. Sort order. So here -1. So yeah, here we can see the ID object that was created here and its sort order. So if we click on this, we can see the year 2010 and newspaper Western People. If we click on here, 2010 Tuam Herald. If we go on like this, we click on this, it's like 2010. If we go on like this, it's like 2009 Corner Telegraph. If we go on, keep on going like this, all the newspapers which are between from 2000 to 2010, there's all available in descending order. 2008 Mayonnaise. So this is how all the aggregation framework works in the MongoDB Compass. Thank you.